everyone! Welcome back to my channel every day here. My name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and we usually do anything Disney, but today we are not. Well, kind of. We're gonna go shopping, so I'll probably see something that's Disney. We are in our second day, I guess, or first day in Edinburgh. Yeah, I don't know.
First full day.
Full day, yeah. We slept pretty well, I would say. I just knocked out, fell through. But we're gonna go take a taxi to the first stop and then get breakfast. So it should be a good day. It's gonna be rainy, which is why you see my hair up. But yeah. Let's hear all about it. So the taxi was nice. It was a 6-minute drive. It was about 8 with extra, but there's a view. So nice, so pretty. We're gonna go eat and then shop. As you can tell, it's like light rain, but not bad. So, yeah. Realized they had a cafe here. Interesting. Oh, it does smell like bubble gum. Do you want to smell it? It smells like bubble gum. Like that was like the first instinct.
It does smell like bubble gum.
Yeah.
So I don't know how they get Dr. Pepper out of that.
Okay, I'm gonna have a try. I feel like I'm not gonna like it because it smells really much like bubble gum, but oh, it hit me.
Oh, it's orange. I did not realize that would be orange. Okay, that's our tickets.
It's very much like bubble gum, but it's not like bubble gum. It's not straight up bubble gum. Not, I don't think it's a me a me thing, but okay. I'm also gonna try the Whoppers right now and see how they are. But I got the bland, like salted, because there's others. I think there's a haggis flavor of these.
Oh. Yeah, no, that's on the list. At some point, we have to try. Just to say we did it.
They're like hard lace. Not bad. No. Need to have some. All right, Primark was a success. So I bought quite a bit of stuff. Oh, the cow shirts. And we're gonna walk over to our next destination, but I lost the map, so I have to remap it. We got a chicken, I don't even know what it's called. It's kind of like a classy, but not really. We'll see how it is. But it was not for me, but it was really flaky, and that was kind of nice. It's like a pie. Yeah, like a chicken pie. We found a new one. Well, just walk a little bit more and you'll find it. But we'll see how it is. It's called the Pie Maker. It's like a bao inside.
Yeah.
Like bao bun inside. Really flaky.
It does have flavor though. That one was good, but
This one's a little better.
And it's gonna be
near the Bobby Friars like statues, the restaurant. But I got the chicken schnitzel. It's a good size. It's a good portion. It comes with chips, and then you got soup, and it's called Cullen's Skink. I don't know why I have such a hard time with the title, but
Because it's weird.
it has haddock and like potatoes, and it should be interesting. I really like schnitzel, so I'm excited for it. Oh, and I got a drink. I'm excited. It's pretty good. I just wanted to try something with gin, so it has like gin and like spritzels. We just ate. It was pretty good. My schnitzel was good. I got really full. The fries were okay. And then the soup, very fishy. So if you like fish, then it's good. If you don't, it's probably not for you. The extra fries were okay. They were interesting. I think it was Yukon potato. I'm not really sure. But it was just a different texture. Overall, we had a good time. You're supposed to find a seat, look for the table number, and then go up to the bar and order everything at the bar. Food, drinks, everything. And then they'll bring it to you to your table. And they do have a bathroom. You have to go up 3 flights, but it's nice. And now if you walk a little bit like outside to the right, then you find the graveyard. So that's where we are right now. And we're gonna experiment for a little bit. We have 2 hours until our next big activity. So yeah. Okay, we just walked around and we're gonna go towards the purse making place, and then just chill out around there. There's a Frankenstein and what was the other place? I guess we'll see. Okay, so walking from Bobby is where you see Frankenstein. This is the bar I sent you. Yeah.
Oh, we're like right here.
Yeah. And it's supposed to be like themed inside. We'll see if we go in. But it's really cool looking. Frankensteins. I got the monster. It came with a shot of something. I don't know, but it looked like blood. And then they do have like a big menu, a small menu, and a full bar. It's like a full bar. The theming is really cute. Frankenstein's monster came out. Not sure why. Couldn't tell you. It wasn't even like the peak of the hour. It was like a random time, so I don't know what triggered it. But it was really cool. pick the bottom. You get to get a lid, and then you get 2 straps and a handle. But there's a lot of options. Okay, we're on the bus. Yay! There is a line on. So over here you have Clans of Scotland, and it's across from that. But there was a line, and it got kind of messy, kind of like the Disney lines. But it was fine. We got the top, and we got the front seat. So hopefully it's the right seat. We are back at Nicholson's somehow. Well, I'll explain later. But we got a sticky toffee pudding?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's try it. Okay. I was a little scared.
The lady was not lying. That's good.
Both our faces were the same. Stared and then pleasantly surprised. Hi everyone. I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. Sorry, it was very scattered. I feel like Edinburgh's just like a lot of experiences, all new. This is the first time I'm traveling without Brendan, who takes me places. Not takes me places, but navigates for me. So very new, but we've been having fun. The ghost tour was fun. We both said it was okay. It's a little bit overpriced for what it is. They do ask for a tip at the end, so make sure if you're gonna do it, bring a little bit of cash. And then we did get off the bus, so it's not just like on the bus. You do have to get off and walk through a graveyard, and they tell stories. It was cute. Then we went to go eat at Dean's something. I'll put it somewhere, and it's the same exact chain as Bobby's, so we ended up eating the same menu twice today for both meals, for lunch and dinner. It was fine. My schnitzel from lunch was good, and my chicken sandwich from dinner was good. I didn't take a picture of it, sorry. We were really hungry after the bus, but it was really good. It was crispy. And then we got toffee pudding, and we both agreed it was good. I did record that one. And then we walked back. It was about 11 minutes walk. And there's different ways to get to your location. If you walk by the castle, it's freezing. If you walk down, it's less freezing. But yeah, tomorrow we have Sterling, so look out for that. Let me know if you have any questions. I'll try to do a voiceover eventually of like tips, tricks, things like that. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, adios.